Welcome to Session 7, Decimal Place Value and Operations. Decimals extend the base 10 place value system to quantities smaller than 1. Their operations follow whole number principles, but place alignment and magnitude estimates are essential. Fractions and decimals are interchangeable representations of rational numbers. By the end, you will be able to do the following: read, compare, order, and round decimals. Convert terminating decimals and fractions. Add, subtract, multiply, and divide decimals accurately. 3 ideas organize the lesson. First, a decimal digit's value depends on its position relative to the point. Addition and subtraction align place values, not final digits. Estimation checks decimal placement in products and quotients. Worked. Example 1. Add 4.72 and 0.086. Write 4.72 as 4.720. Align the decimal points and add by place value. The sum is 4.806. Check. Rounding the addends gives about 4.8, so the placement is reasonable. Worked example 2. Multiply 6.3 by 0.24. Use 63 times 24 to get 1512, then account for 3 decimal places in the factors. The product is 1.512. Check. Since 0.24 is less than 1, the product must be less than 6.3. Worked example 3. Divide 15.75 by 0.45. Move both decimal points 2 places so the divisor becomes 45. The equivalent quotient is 1575 divided by 45, which equals 35. Check. Multiplying 35 by 0.45 returns 15.75. Watch for this common error, moving only 1 decimal point in a division problem. Correction. Scale dividend and divisor by the same power of 10. Use this routine. Name the target and units, choose a relationship, calculate with clear steps, then estimate and verify. Use base 10 place value to align or scale the numbers, calculate, and verify with an estimate or inverse operation. For more lessons and focused practice, visit bridge2exam.com.